We'll follow the reefer train on this video, and you can hear this one has sound. And usually I don't run sound on hardly anything. To me, it's extra noise. There are over 30 cars on this train. And they're both metal wheels and plastic wheels on my trains. I don't have any trouble with gunk on the track, and so everything has been this way for 35 years or so. The Swift packing plant. A lot of model railroads in America have those. And all mainline curves are 30 inches or more. And again, I'll point out that the ballast on the Santa Fe, the Area I model, has a brownish colored stone. Whereas you can see over there a little bit of the gray stone, that's the interchange with the Rio Grande. Each railroad had their own materials. You don't make money hauling rocks. And you don't get white stripes down your track when you photograph it, when you have the darker colored ballast. And the old main line on the upper level, new main line on the lower level. The more weathered rocks have been there a long time. Matter of fact, those were affected by a lot of water. This is an old riverbed. And that's the Central Valley bridge up there. And the one you see over in Almost, that's a Campbell Kit bridge. As I've mentioned before, this is my version of Apache Canyon. Apache Canyon was single track, had some 3% grade in it, but in this case it's riverbed, it's 1.5%. And the bridge here in the foreground are just bridge pieces built, because I got a piece of masonite underneath there as the underneath part of the bridge. Yeah, that's the Campbell kit up there. And then I don't remember whose bridge kit that other one was, the girder sides. And it's code 83. And underneath the layout, where you can't see it, it's code 100. And yes, I know there's wobblers in there. Oops, it looks like the El Capitan's kind of snuck in on us. The reefer train is coming up from underneath the layout It's got a loop, if you remember, some of my past posts, and then it's a 3.5% grade, so it's pulling a load getting up there, and all locomotives are powered. I run no dummies. And the reefer train is now passing through Sharon Springs. It's going to be coming past the engine terminal here. And in Flagstaff, Arizona, there's a place called Mars Hill. That's where a big observatory is, and that's where Pluto was discovered. Well, if you stand up on that hillside and you look back, you can see a curve that's a lot like this. And so I incorporated that in this layout. So this is my Flagstaff curve. And so we're going to make a turn here, and it goes down underneath the layout to come back out where you saw the trestle before. That's a SIDAM kit. I built that probably 35 or more years ago. Thanks for watching.